Welcome to a tutorial on using Finder on the EduTouch EE panel. To access, select the folder icon on the home page of the panel. When a USB is inserted into the panel, a USB icon will appear. To create a folder, locate the plus sign down the bottom of the panel and enter the desired name. Once a folder is selected, the Cut, Copy, Paste, and Delete tools will appear. Folders can be searched or changed to a list format.